esuni mo bibia akwa abashronko na sabre gomo fofra beta ho eni be bobo ho na se ye bibie ni so e de akere amantan na ye hwe ensem bi wa ha se busuafo Ghanaian American comedian stand-up comedian and he did Michael Blankson busuafo mbeka ya busumi kakra ntem ni no one ne girlfriend Miss Rada womo entem tete ya se abrante no break up no broken heart and we are fast so di benkuni kumanya semketwa say e de beto dwa mu ne mu nsem na e be sympathizing with him na bi so agent on cause so movie on ya de what and Rada Branty asaba ponte kopie mu abrachimem satam no ne girlfriend dey no Ghana wasa back to abrachimem na ebra wo mu eye show bi wo mu tai eye abrachimem wonom the breakfast club show no and say Michael Blackson and a girl no Miss Rada na wo show na say wo ye hu ye na ne say bibie piepa ne say won ko girl no ane de ope enti won ti bi nya ne ma ne nya yi na ebisafo Michael Blackson ti mi akopie mu ho okoya nyensa pan okura ring adenya ontimi entina ate se eye Miss Rada enka no na girl no wodon too much bibia mu girl no tiny chi wogina no amete se oba black American otimi afia brochimemu aba Ghana mema behwe ne maame biem no woje oba ho a onya wo Miss Rada ho enti se branch na na se odon de omokoso ado mo amete to mbewura wa mu nan so deal ba ko eka wo mo come back hin ho ene se Bosubi bia ntem no bia wakonya se o de any side chicken no afa o de any side hen na side cock na so akope bi na se obi e de twa no nti bosubi bia o mie no obi etimi twa no free no masaka bom no ato relationship no eso ebi se upset ebi say obi ane de woka eno nti ne ehye mu ha se ne de yebedu mo suko ne ewura mu na nsa na no yekwa video yem da ye twa ho ba na nkomo na na ekọ.
I love you. Would you marry me?
Yeah. Oh my God!
Yeah, Mike! Yeah, Mike!
We did it!
Yes!
Well, no, hold on. Let's make sure.
Ebusuafo motie masumun sem Boss Ben Bruce at saying one play me that mba no so mfa so
Oh, one.
Boss Ben Bruce one b so many B's if you have oko
Adom obi
you dey ready ase na yen share Michael Blankson.
Yeah,
as a stand-up comedian or a popular guy he has it all like sika sie den bim na ohia bima emma nkofo ehun so wo and then the girlfriend Miss Rada womo date sa na say akwentu obefie Michael Blankson befie na say obefie Ghana girls so dey above for the so man say the man na ni so mo no so dey sakeke bi and na the girl na tell us that be say wa ko fie na do say ba ko card ye yeah tinto nta obi afara kwa na dey ko so afa sakeka Odo sakeke we di hu benku na that akwentu so kwa brochimem bi ma say that the girl na ope ono an ope na open biem so akopropose asase wo so bia obi akonya so otimi chiti. This kind of relationship is it real? And I for so many celebrities internet for so some social media clouds be na say and say attention no more epic.
okay, me that say picture what here for African media.
Yeah, obi a so
The friend say we are no they be am say baby etete wo no it determine your actions and inactions.
Yes, okay.
And me say abrochi when you be strange.
Sir?
Yeah, obroni kra wada for South Africa man bi ne yire. Ka che ne yire ne say wada for ba ku ye oba he no ye me fo. Na won ti me invite ne nka ona me ne ye.
What?
Ghana no nya abrochi. Me sister, ni a wo ken Ghana say tresam e wo ba bia. For year airtime. But the thing is, from baby on Bufino, there will be a friend freedom. Freedom the party say my one or me me right, also all right. But my right no to me tra. Fine, guy no Ghana near Ghana moja on mundi. Me mum dia come yet. But no I'm so no cheaty first me boy.
Oh no,
good. It me sure say oba because oh so I say ya there. And ya mensu no ma woman ma mensu me kwa ba ko na me say da na mkwai na me ba bi mu asa na ne ye to aso but niema we nyina no eya me hu ne say yenye serious in life because sebe uye we ya wo ware na ubetimi attrust ni ba one na twemp na wo otimi fo bi oso timi fo bi na mo ware a trust ben the be wa ware ni ubetimi just opie kwa be fo say bi okobe ma ho ana ma me boa
let's say o say freedom o be o freedom there say agenda mindset no
but you see mindset no freedom does not mean say you see sex very holy
sex is
na say sex nye bibia ba sex bibi sebi obi a one na ai sex da no o ware kra na ohia na hu na esi otuma ne ade na si ye no I print it into eternal bibia enye se ye goro ho a obi a sori a me kwa sex I say aduane e di na me mom bia then na me no wo ho na aka dem say makotwa me bema de utwa anye hwe na wo ba de sort na se na me kona mkotwa na me ba aka dem say ozuba kotwa bi de ne
cotton de ne bodwe na Bruce I want for according to speculations no ba no me sure that no crampos I bisexual with me fa ba tim fa bema wo de ti bema do but onye oba so berry enti na say sa trisom bi na ebe kika ko mu
na say go for sex party 5 song 6 song ina Ghana
enemu
party Ghana
da bi o ami ti ase yi ye to party si e be hia enemu
ama etutu anyway Ghana say parties ni do you invite o wo ambisam yie obedu ho no na ma ne mema ne ye bo e bi atena no mo obi asate roro no na benya ne bia na one no so ye obi yire so ye obi kunu so wonim no na mo de ye mo Ghana how
I wish for where there's what in moon say Ghana but mo dey for comment section
say omo hwe me no meka ebi mu akra ko bi da sex party e common say 3 sam e common 4 sam e common e man cry say e man cry dey to me suggest say man
e man mo nke ya mo ya wo na nka me dey me nko me
nko say man free o ma dwun
wadi
me so ni America church South Africa say no wa wale enti kunu kan say ka betu ka church say kwa say me na oka so ko fa na for the buy
Ben Bruce who say cheating agin some sex hyper agin some na masa this weird sexual lifestyle I've been because say can you limit oba ni be man ni shemu won ware kra na say be a solid mut bi shemu anytime be ya mut kan bi ya so mut bi shemu na say enne mmebu na say ya ba say ya we ya agin was sex so too much we are so adventurous in terms of sex you see who be bia was sex you say you try bia about sex no and na ma sa nyem be upset things be weird nyem be say we sex because obi already there enka we are there so who say me go for bia be come once here nkoda
I mean odi ma dey be a friend of sexual fantasy
and only as some say
odi ma dey
matibida
obi a wo wi ase fiti pop ekosi lema o wade bi oni trima onya nkoba e bontimi nye anyema ni bebre wo trima e se ka utrim epie pa ewiase be se
yeboni
so ati ase sa 3 sound ni enye na start yo e won nkofo trim sa till nkofo start getting idea and say oh it's possible
and nkofo so jai nkofo tie se mfa me ho
obi atimi ye bibi but you see I see it me control your sexual urge kakra se bi enye bibia na me share video bi na girl bi ne kraman say kraman ne that almost every day when you know your sexual fantasies are one department they want to explore so what I say but maybe they say say aware bebe mu a there should be what sexual sanity sexual sanity means say oya mehwe me yokunu what I say
we belong to each other.
Vows na ye kan ye na ye tena ho kan ye. We shouldn't destroy it. Say utimi ya na wetimi aye obi wo hono ma ni kunu e ka so otu kan bo beba na ko 4 5 6 ase ho. Na just say e kan ni e ko so o man mu na e kan. But me so ya me internet any films ya be ya so oppressing. And I say na me hwe ba ko bia dan fu ya na ba ko be so say ye hwe sa niam we ya nya imprint on your mind and say oh so it's possible. What I say can no na ye wu bi da can no say na e bi taboo to talk about sex but ye hwe sa so pop person yes eh na nya wu ni agrat me fa no and ye wada for ye agrat me fa no wow eh ade a ayama se ni ahwe yi a ni a ebesia say oh any ade o kwase mahu normal etu ba hwe se unu wo ye de part ho no aka say be ma me nya branch bi na me se mka ko twa me ho apa na se na eko
na se wonu tum na like
ama se na eko
the we see ka se sa na eko ni tie fa so na tie pa se be lu sa be no wa dia se o ye betimi akọ
ade na efueli ade na ye hu the spiritual connotation of it say film na ye ma ye nkola apọhwe na omo building something towards ni ya hwe ya a time will happen what to one na ida ka say masa awia mi hie obi o tie eja mi so me de kwate me what so enti me kwaba
awukunu ti wo
na dey see no na ka ebede na uni obi edit now so every man bia utu twa ba
we could wa kwa engage no engage
so enti bisa wo say e normal thinking it wait me bow to see e ka obi tie it's possible. Ghana over here kwa na wo. Because your sexual convenience, your sexual mate, obi wo ho ndeti no. Be oba ne kondo na no afre no bra, you fie. O de dey we no ano no. No commitment. E wo ho Ghana. Enya brocha sem na make you. Ghana here it's ade we a wo ken. E strange by enya strange maybe no.
Enya se na ya commonize crazy that was the first no obi be na too strange ka you are crazy like you cannot manipa no in near pa no so papa but and they see crazy is the new way lifestyle obi e weird the new like talent
ye be u because first no a friend said sabi obi aye rasta oba fie person ho say no rasta aye normal the crazy in town oba ni be ma no my rasta na oh and na me patch say do he time me na your president can say a time will come when the thing will call for itself ni confirm na say no more for say also so gay so
no but just no meaning so about because true
if you would their question back 10 years how dare you saw the rasta ever ko obi papa feel say me baba ware oba 10 years ago
Teresa or a guy
Teresa na yen TV da o 10 years ago oba ko ba dwamanya eyemuso kese a wobo ene ebusu bi o peka so na say we dey normal tea mo samo kana mo ware you see where the thing is leading to ya hwe yi a be ginsem ginsem nso a aware kra nya akono because me nim say me ware na sabe me yire betimi akotwa ne ho a ene say me ware
entra baby
me obi nam ne wo a me to no commitment me to baby me hwemba. Is that a society that we want to build?
Wakasem. E was your for Ben Bruce watching at Bebre at the Aquatia Fight and Semno Elmo. Na nyo no kwa e de ni me no to wo mu bi. And who's what doing twe e di afa and kwa di Michael Blackson one any girlfriend Miss Rada as one aka bomu e wo relationship one at say o ma taking no relationship no to step further. O ma engage am e train him say nchombe ware. Now the condition we abata won say okay, nti sisi ya ka bum dem de obi etimi no every month obi etimi twa no ho o freedom sa metimi asa ka bum say adofo am de be ware kra na wo so adwenche fa wo anything woni say normal wo ye crazy people abroche de bibia ya allowed internet wo so mo fa wo adwa na say it could affect their relationship in the nearest future they would dream bia no bomodian fatwa in our comment section maybe you must not share video on all the social media platforms. When Bruce will find out what's Vienna.
We find out what's to say. Only about crowd and Pema was a star with them and pet. We pay, Bukoha, Braha, Shiame. Ain't funny airquay. Yatu yabo, na sex, a yadia yame boy between couples, and yet between Obiakeke, or baby or her answer no beware, no name my 100 ada. Ade, what then a day? A Giginia ma, where don't one side, ever say you, a pamucho. Na ya member man so yes so on some phone so o girlfriend be catch us every month we betimi akọ no so akwa na so pen Jimmy massa take your time sa de no ya so Ghana me da wase
Yen so e Ghana ntina say won yu hu mienu ase otu anamo Ghana ni akopi ma brochimo ma so I have Ghana black American won na betu no fu e wo se for ekomana na di esti no enti wo so say me kan no adwinchi bia fatu dwa wa comment section wo na ye den ra ibedi ehia biem ye di hu nkomo akwechire pa me di na ama obuzo na hanso ye Afrique Media and then dey dika ya wo hwe abomote and subscribe e dey be say din shim bi makramo. Bye for now.